Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to give you the final walkthrough of one of my blank books. This is my Valentine's edition mini album, and these are books that I create for my monthly mini album subscription club. So every month I design a new special edition and I get it shipped for you, and then you get to decorate it and just make it your own. And these were super fun to make. I do have a series of videos kind of putting these books together. It's not a full tutorial, it's more like a process video, but I will put them on the description box below. I'll link all those videos, and also I do have a PDF instructions and cutting guide for this book. But let's go ahead and take a look inside. So the book measures 8 by 7 and it has a 3-inch spine and it has 4 signature pages. So the way these pages were designed, we basically have a front side A, and then we also have 2 of the pages have a front side B. So we have 2 different front designs, and then we have 4 different back designs. And then when I put it together, I kind of just play around with the order of the pages. You can customize it, you can make multiple, just as I did on my series. I was sharing with you how I create mini albums in a batch, and just kind of play around with the pages so you can remake the books and come out with a different unique type of book. But let's go ahead and take a look. So on this first page here, this opens up like that, and then we have a foldable page, so that is the side A design. And then for the back here, I have a kind of like a waterfall design page. On the next page, this is the side B design, so this opens up like that, and then here we have a pocket. So those 2 fronts, you will see them repeat. And now here on the back we have this page that opens up like that, and then we also have another pocket here. And then this is the next page. So this is actually the back design, and this is the front, which is another one of that a layout here. And then this is the back. So as you can see, I kind of just flip the order of the pages, and then this opens up like that, and it opens up like this. And each one of these pages, it's a pocket page, so you can go ahead and add more inserts on the pocket page. And I just show you this one, but I'll just go ahead and share with you again. And then this is the other back page. So this back 2 pages, I just flip the order. And then here we have a 3D layout. And then this is the back, which has again the opening and the pocket. And so really fun book to make. So I also created an add-on feature, so each one of these books is going to come with these added on, and this was a tutorial that I created exclusively for my mini album technique members. And this is a sliding page that just basically you can add into any page. So I created a belly band. So the way you add this to your book is you just add some glue or tape here on this belly band, and you can place it on any page that you like. So I think it will look nice here on the last page, but you can put it basically on any of the pages. You can put it at the center right there. So it's a really fun add-on feature. And then again, you just glue this piece down, and it is a sliding page, so this will open up like that. And then this also has 2 more openings in there. So a really fun way to add movement to your pages is creating very easy base, and then just have some really fun add-ons to add throughout your book. So I'm including one of these on each one of these books, and that's it. That is the Valentine's edition mini album. I hope that you guys like how this turned out. I hope that you enjoyed the walkthrough, and I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.